In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task in ClickUp. To get started, log into ClickUp and open your workspace. Once you're inside, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you manage more than one. This helps ensure that the task you create ends up in the right place from the beginning. Next, go to the left sidebar and open the space that contains the project or list where you want to create your task. Spaces help organize your work, so choosing the right one is important before you add anything new. After that, select the list you want to work in, such as a project list, so you can display the existing tasks already there. Once the list is open, make sure you're in List View. This view makes it easy to see your tasks clearly and keeps them organized by status, which is helpful when you're adding a new item to your workflow. Under the To-Do section, look at the bottom of the existing task list and click Add Task. Now you'll be able to enter the task information. Click the name field and type the name of the new task you want to create. Try to keep the task name clear and specific so it's easy to understand later, especially if you're collaborating with other people. After naming the task, use the options beside it to configure additional details. You can select an assignee to choose who is responsible for the task. This is useful for team accountability and helps everyone know who owns the next action. Then click the due date option to set the date by which the task should be completed. Adding a due date helps with scheduling and makes it easier to prioritize work across your list. If needed, click the priority option to assign a priority level to the task. This can help signal whether the task is urgent, important, or something that can be handled later. You can also add any other available task information you need, such as tags or additional task properties. These details can make your task easier to sort, filter, and manage over time, especially in larger projects. Before finishing, review the task name and all the details you entered. This quick check can help you catch small mistakes and confirm that everything is set up correctly. When you're ready, click Save to create the new task and add it to your ClickUp list. That's it. Your task is now created and ready to be tracked in ClickUp. Thanks for watching.